It's for my own uses. All right. Well, I hope you're all doing well today. It's great to see you. And look what's behind me. Animals. Yay! And we're going to make animal sounds today. So let's try some animal sounds. Well, you know something? You guys missed the last week's show, so I'm going to show you something that makes animal sounds. You ready? This is called a didgeridoo. It's from Australia, and it sounds like this. Wow! And I can make animal sounds on it. So here's an animal sound. You ready? What does that sound like? Do you know what that sounds like? That sounds like this. And that's a doggy. And a doggy goes woof, 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 woof. Can you go like that? Woof, 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 woof. Yeah, woof, woof, woof. Good, that's a doggy sound. Oh, wow. Now, here's another one. You ready? I'm going to make another sound here. And that's the sound of an animal called a horse. And that's a horse. And a horse goes, neigh. Goes, neigh, 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 neigh. And that's a horse. We're going to use these in a song in a minute. Okay, here's another one. You ready? Wow! What's that? That's an animal called an elephant. And that's an elephant. And an elephant has a big trunk and it goes like this. Ooh! Ooh! Can you go ooh? Ooh! Yes, that's an elephant. By the way, I showed last time that you can use the cardboard tubes. Woo! 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 And you can make animal sounds on them, which is fun. Okay, well, that was a didgeridoo. I'm going to play the didgeridoo more later. But let's go on to some other sounds. So let's see, what else? Here we go. Here's another sound. You ready? And that is an owl. And an owl is a bird with big eyes that flies at night and it goes woo, woo, woo. Yes, can you spread your wings and pretend you're an owl? Woo, 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 woo. Oh, that's wonderful. I see you doing it. That is so great. Wow. Okay, now here's another one. Now this is really different. This is, ready? I'm going to play it. It's a little sound, and that's the sound of the cricket. And a cricket is a little insect, and the cricket goes crick, crick. Can you go crick, 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 crick? Yes, very good. Crick, crick, crick. And that's a cricket. Okay, one more. Now, this is a sound you may know. You ready? And that sounds like let's see if I can find it. You ready? A duck. And a duck goes quack, quack. That's a duck. And a duck goes quack, 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 quack. That's right. And that's my quack stick. Some of you may have things like that. Okay. Well, now we're going to sing a song with all these animals. And it's a song that you heard. Maybe you've sung it before. It's called Old MacDonald. Old MacDonald had a farm, but he had a very special farm because it also had an elephant on it. And so we're going to do Old MacDonald, and it goes like this, and we're going to make the animal sounds. Old MacDonald had a farm E-I-E-I-O. And if you want to clap, or even if you have any jangles or anything, you do whatever you want. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a dog, E-I-E-I-O. And the dog goes woof woof, with a woof woof here and a woof woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof woof. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse, E-I-E-I-O. And a horse goes neigh, with a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had an elephant, E-I-E-I-O. And an elephant goes woo, with a woo woo here and a woo woo there. Here a woo, there a woo, everywhere a woo woo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had an owl, E-I-E-I-O. And an owl goes woo woo, with a woo woo there and a woo woo there. Here a woo, here a woo, everywhere a woo woo. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cricket, E-I-E-I-O. And a cricket goes crick crick, with a crick crick here and a crick crick there. Here a crick, there a crick, everywhere a crick crick. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there was a duck, E-I-E-I-O. And the duck goes quack quack, with a quack quack here and a quack quack there. Everywhere, here a quack, there a quack, everywhere a quack quack. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now there's one animal we didn't do that I meant to show you, and this one is a frog. And a frog, watch, I'm going to make the sound. It's going to go like this. Ready? Ribbit, 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 ribbit. That's what a frog does. And a frog also jumps. So a frog goes ribbit, 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 ribbit. Do that. Ribbit, 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 ribbit. Yes, ribbit, ribbit, ribbit. Good. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm there was a frog, E-I-E-I-O. With a ribbit, ribbit here and a ribbit, ribbit there. Here a ribbit, there a ribbit, everywhere a ribbit, ribbit. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Yay! Woohoo! Okay. Oh, yay, that was fun. I love seeing all of you moving around and dancing. Well, now we're going to sing to a video, and you're going to see Old MacDonald. Get ready, because you're going to see him. Here we go. Let me just get the screen ready here. And here we go, Old MacDonald. And we're going to do different animals, too, and we can sing along. Here we go.
Want to sing a song with us? You know the words. Old MacDonald had a farm.
There's Old MacDonald.
E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some cows.
A cow goes moo, with a moo moo here and a moo moo there. Here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo moo.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. On that farm he had some chickens.
Chickens, and chickens go cluck, 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 cluck. With a cluck, cluck here and a cluck, cluck there. Here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck, cluck.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cat.
Kitty cats, meow meow.
E-I-E-I-O.
With a meow meow here and a meow meow there. Here a meow, there a meow, everywhere a meow meow. Old MacDonald had a farm,
E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a horse.
horse goes neigh. With a neigh neigh here and a neigh neigh there. Here a neigh, there a neigh, everywhere a neigh neigh.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some
Pig, and the pig goes oink, oink.
E-I-E-I-O.
With an oink, oink here and an oink, oink there. Here an oink, there an oink, everywhere an oink, oink.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some dogs, E-I-E-I-O.
Doggy, woof, 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 woof there and a woof, woof there. Here a woof, there a woof, everywhere a woof, woof.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some sheep.
Sheep go baa.
E-I-E-I-O. With a
Baa-baa
here and a
baa-baa
there.
Here a baa, there a baa, everywhere a baa, baa.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had some ducks,
Ducks.
E-I-E-I-O. With a
Quack, quack here and a quack, quack there. Here quack, there quack, everywhere quack, quack.
Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Okay.
And on
There
that
we
farm
go. Then they go to bees and worms. So we'll skip those. We'll just go to the very end and
some worms, E-I-E-I-O. With a squiggle wiggle here and a squiggle wiggle there. Here a squiggle, there a squiggle, everywhere a squiggle wiggle. Old MacDonald had a farm, E-I-E-I-O.
Yay! Bye bye, old
Thanks,
MacDonald.
kids.
There we go. Okay. So we just sang Old MacDonald. That's fun. I haven't sung that since I was a little kid. Yay! And we did some other animals. We did the sheep, and the sheep went baa, baa. And we did the cow, and the cow going moo, moo, right? Lots of fun. And we did a pig, and the pig goes oink, 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 oink. Okay, so we're going to do a couple more things now. I'm going to show you my instrument again, but I'm going to play it for you. Now, this instrument, let me turn my background off here. I'm going to teach you the name for this instrument. So this instrument is called didgeridoo, 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 and I'm going to play it like that, and I'm going to play it with this. Here we go. Get ready. And this is good for clapping and dancing. So if you want to dance with me, you can. Here we go. Get ready. This is going to be weird. Yay! And that's a didgeridoo. Woo! Okay. Very good dancing, everybody. All right. Oh, I have to catch my breath. That's a lot of playing. Hey, you want to do one more thing? Want to hear something else? I'm going to show you one more thing. So, we're going to go to India, and I'm going to show you the snake charmer. And let me show you, I'm going to show you also my pet snake. This is not a real snake. It's a rubber snake. And it's made of rubber. And a snake likes to go squiggle, squiggle. So, let me show you a picture. Now, This might look a little scary to some people, but it's a pet snake, so it's not really scary. This is a picture of India. And here we go. And there is a snake, but it's a friendly snake, just like mine. And watch. See what he's playing? Look. It's a snake charmer. That's what the snake charmer sounds like. And when I play it, the snakes dance. But you have to be my snakes. You know what a snake does? It goes like this. Here, I'll show you. This is the snake. And the snake goes, woo, like that. So my rubber snake, not a real one. Okay, so can you go like this? Whoops, get the snake the right way. Can you stand up and can you go like this? Let's be a snake. Can you do a snake? Do a snake like this and squiggle down and squiggle up. You're going to squiggle, put your hands over your head and go down and go up and down and up. Yes, that's right. And I'm going to play the snake charmer while you're listening to the drums. So ready? Here we go. And you're going to hear some music of the drums. And there we go. Okay, get ready. Here we go. You ready? Do this like a snake. Everybody dance like a snake. Here we go. And that was a snake dance. Wow, we did a lot of things today. Let me see. I hope you were... Yeah, there you go. Okay, good. All right. Well, thank you for playing with me today. That was fun. I hope you had fun. I did. And I hope that you enjoy your month of May. I'm going to see you all again at the end of the month. Until then, bye-bye, everybody. Bye-bye. See you all next time. Here, I'll unmute so we can say goodbye. Okay, here we go. All right, and unmute. Bye, everybody. See you all next time. Bye.